Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to change the format of your timecode in your DJI Mic free in the app. Once you're in the application, tap this microphone icon. Here tap set mic, and now make sure that the timecode is enabled. Once this, tap unfold. Here as I can see you have output type. Tap it, and now as I can see you have no output. L in receiver input external timecode generator info. L out, which sends the receiver timecode to other devices that support external timecode, and A out occupies left channel to send timecode to other devices that do not support external timecode. To switch between all these modes, just tap on each. And now that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.